unboxing some Goyard. Part 2, we're gonna unbox the Goyard items in these 2 boxes. Before you come for me in the comments, you can buy Goyard distance sales. You can buy it and have it shipped to you. You do not need to go into a store. You can buy it from the boutique. We'll talk about it. So basically, they are very well known for being super exclusive, and you only buy in the store and they don't list the prices anywhere, all that kind of stuff. That's true to an extent. You can go into a store, you can get an SA contact, you can email, get an SA contact, you can call, get an SA contact, and then they will give you prices via text, over the phone, all those kind of things. Also, if you want to buy something via distance sales, if you're not near a store, you can go into the boutique or call. Sorry, you can call or email, and they will ship it to you. It's like $60 to ship to anywhere, I think is the standard, or maybe it used to be 30, now it's 60, but it's $60 to ship to anywhere in the US. We're talking about the US. I can do other countries too, but they'll ship it to you. They'll tell you what it is. You fill out a form, you send your credit card, you do the whole thing, and then they'll ship it to you. It has to be, the credit card has to match, your billing address has to match your shipping address. It can't be a PO box, but they'll ship it to you. And it's pretty quick. It takes like 2 days, like whatever. As long as they have it in stock, you can ask for it. You can request something. You can reserve something. You can wait for the next shipment of something to come if it's not the right color. And then when it does come, they'll call you and tell you, we got this in, we can ship it to you. So you can do that. Or there's a distance sales email on their website. If you go to their website, you can go to distance sales, and there's a distance sales email, distance acquisition or something like that, or corporate. Also now they've created profiles where you can literally have a profile on their website. Anyway, so I just got 2 of these because we needed to. No real reason. Just extra ones to have lying around the house. So you kind of fold them kind of weird, but oh, so nice. I love a Mia. I love a Mia. Okay, so we got a black and tan, our St. Louis PM. Just, you know, an extra one to have around the house. And then we got a black and black Artois. St. Louis PM. These make literally the best gifts. Classic, simple, everybody wants, impossible to get, quote unquote, but whatever, you know, whatever, the 8 coveted bag. So, okay, Alchemez next, or more Goyard. We can do, oh, and the receipt. Oh my God, so expensive. Okay, we're gonna do part 3, part 4. Be back.